So what is a coordinating conjunction? Well, a coordinating conjunction is probably a conjunction that you know very well. They are usually only 3 letters long and the most common conjunctions. We use coordinating conjunctions to join words, phrases, and independent clauses together. Independent clauses are short sentences. And when we put 2 independent clauses together, they make a compound sentence, which can help you to sound much better in English because you will be using a more complicated sentence. And that's why learning coordinating conjunctions are important. FANBOYS is an acronym for the 7 different coordinating conjunctions, okay? They are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Let's talk about them now and look at some examples. So let's start off with the first conjunction, which is for. For is the same as because. We use it to explain the reason or purpose. I like going to the park at the weekend, for I love to feed the ducks. I go swimming 3 times a week, for I need to keep fit. Next one is and. And is a common one, and you've probably learnt this already, but and joins 2 similar ideas together. I like to go to the park, and I like to go swimming. I like to eat Chinese food, and I like to eat Japanese food. The next one is nor, and nor is used to talk about 2 negative ideas, okay? We have to use a negative in nor sentences. I don't like to play tennis, nor do I like to play volleyball. I don't go to the gym, nor do I go to the swimming pool. The next one is but, and but we use to show a contrast to alternative things, okay? We rushed to the hospital, but we were late. I don't like to do judo, but I do like to do aikido. The next one is or, and that presents an alternative, like a choice of something, okay? So I can say I can go swimming, or I can go to the park. I could also say I can go see my grandma at the weekend, or I can go to the cinema with my friends at the weekend. The next one is yet, and yet is not very common. Most people see yet as the word we put at the end of negative present perfect sentences, but yet can also have the same meaning as but. It's a more formal word, I think. So again, just like with the examples we used in but, we could also put yet as well. So for example, I could say, I don't like Chinese food, yet I do like American food. I don't do aerobics to keep fit, yet I go running to keep fit. And the last word is so. So can tell us the effect or the result of something. It's a special word because it could also be a subordinating conjunction as well, but we will come to those in another lesson. But it can be a coordinating conjunction here. I want to learn English, so I take English classes. I want to practice these sentences, so I leave a comment in the comments below. So like I said, if you want to make your sentences more detailed and longer, this is an easy way to do it by making these compound sentences with the coordinating conjunctions. Now it's your turn. What I want you to do is use some of the FANBOYS coordinating conjunctions and put them in the comments below. And just remember FANBOYS if you want to remember these words. If you have any questions, just let me know. And if you want to continue learning, click this video here.